Students, this is NCERT exercise problem 2.15 from page number 70 of structure of atom, right? So let's read the statement. What is the maximum number of emission lines when the excited electron of hydrogen atom in n equal to 6 drops to the ground state? Right, so in this question you have to find the maximum number of emission line. That means this excited electron when comes back to the ground state from 6th orbit, how many emission lines will it emit, right? So definitely for this, first of all we'll see the formula. You can write number of lines produced when an electron in nth orbit drops to the ground state. So for this you will use the formula n2 minus n1 into n2 minus n1 plus 1 by 2. Here we are having 6th orbit. So this electron comes from 6th orbit to the ground state. That means n1 equal to 1. In this case, electron absorbs energy from the ground state and excited to the 6th orbit, right? That's why I have taken n2 equal to 6 and n1 equal to 1. Okay, so we'll put the value. So n2 6 minus n1 1 into n2 6 minus n1 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So 6 minus 1 5, 6 minus 1 plus 1. Definitely this one will be cancelled with this. So it will be into 6 only divided by 2. 2 1 the 2 and 2 3 the 6. So 5 into 3 it will be 15. That means 15 emission lines are possible when electron drops from 6th orbit to the ground state, right? Now we'll see this question in detail. I am assuming that this electron is in 6th orbit. This one n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now the best possibility is that this electron first come from 6th orbit to 5th orbit, then 5th to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1, right? Now it is also possible that this electron comes from 6th orbit to 5th orbit, then directly to 1st orbit. Then definitely it is coming from this way, 4th orbit, then directly to the ground state. Now 3rd orbit and directly to the ground state. In this way we will have the possible number of emission lines, right? So you can write over here, these lines correspond to, first of all, this electron can jump from 6th orbit to 5th orbit. Then definitely it is also possible that 6th orbit to 4th orbit, 6th orbit to 3rd orbit, 6th orbit to 2nd orbit and directly 6th orbit to the 1st orbit, right? Now there is one more possibility that this electron comes to the 5th orbit, then 5th to 4, 5th to 3, 5th to 2nd and 5th to 1. There is one more possibility. This electron jumps from 6th orbit to 4th orbit, right? So 4 to 3, 4 to 2, 4 to 1. One more possibility that this electron jumps from 6th orbit to the 3rd orbit, 3rd to 2nd and 3rd to 1st. One more possibility, 6th to 2nd orbit. Now 2nd to 1. Now you can count the number of emission lines. In first case, if you'll see, in first case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 emission lines, right? In second case, definitely 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And in third case, 1, 2, 3. And in fourth case, 1, 2, and fifth case, I'm having only 1. So definitely in this case, I'm having 5 lines, right? 5 and 4, 9, 9 and 3, definitely 12, 12 and 2, 14, 14 and 1, 15 lines are possible when electron jumps from 6th orbit to the ground state.